What's good, YouTube? Today I'm going to be turning a regular t-shirt into a long sleeve. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. So this is the shirt that I'm going to rework. This is one of my old shirts, has a bunch of stains on it, so I want to turn it into something new. And this is the flannel that we're using, scrap flannel. And I'm using this as an example sleeve. And that is a poster. So what I did wrong with this is a stretchy material, and I forgot about that until I cut out the pieces already, but I did need more seam allowance for this, but it's cool. This is me cutting out the pattern, the sleeve pattern. So this is the sleeve pattern all cut out. So we're gonna place this on the fold and then cut it out. So this is me cutting out the first sleeve, and this is me cutting out the second one. But these are the sleeves all cut out. This is me distressing the shirt, the dirty parts of the shirt. So these are the scrap fabrics that I'm using to cover up this logo. We're going to do reverse applique for that, and then the back also reverse applique. So this is me pinning the fabric on the inside, and then we're going to turn it on the outside and sew it. This is it all pinned together. Now we have to sew it. I had an idea to do a slash after I cut this out, and I kind of was mad about it because I didn't think about it before, but it's cool. But this is the fabric all sewn to the t-shirt, and I thought about covering these holes up, but I just decided not to. It looks cool, so I'm gonna leave it like that. But this is the back. So right here I accidentally didn't cover up that dot right there, but you can't really see it far away, so. But now we have to add the sleeves. So this is where I messed up. I added a 3/8 of an inch, and it was really tight on the wrist. So, this is when I realized that I did not add more seam allowance because the fabric I was using was stretchy, and I did not add extra seam allowance because this is stiff material. So I had to seam rip it all and restart. But this is the sleeve all pinned together to the t-shirt sleeve. So this is it all done. Really like the way this turned out. Definitely, if I do this again, I need to remember to add more seam allowance for non-stretch fabrics, but it ended up turning good anyway. But it is a little hard to get off, but it's cool. This is the back right here. And this is the on body. And that is it for today's video. If you want a custom shirt like this, DM me. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.